Graças a ela eu sou nunca se apagou. Era menina que não rimava
It's so down from this town, but the niggas better bring it on. It's so down from this town, but the niggas better down from this town. It's so down from this town. It's so down from this town. It's so down.
Nagaland is a beautiful state in the northeastern part of India. It is known for its beauty, rich history, and culture. There are a number of languages spoken by the people here, some of them being Agami, Ao, Chang, Lotha, and even more. The official languages of the state being English. Nagaland has a very rainy climate, with the average rainfall in the state being between 175 cm and 250 cm. However, this happens for only 4 months. Otherwise, the overall climate is really pleasant in the state. However, despite all the natural beauty which is abundant in the state, it faces a very grave issue. The issue being power shortages. According to a new study, it found that Nagaland actually spends more money buying energy than it actually does producing it. That is why the Government of India, in collaboration with the Government of Nagaland, has started a project of creating multiple dams, both large scale, micro, and small scale dams throughout the state in order to boost the state's energy output. All of these projects will help the state to boost its energy output and spend less money buying energy from outside of the state. Some of the notable hydroelectric projects being the Doyang hydroelectric project in Wokha with a max capacity of 75 megawatts. It is located in Doyang province in Wokha district of Nagaland, and it will source the energy from the river in Doyang. Some other notable hydroelectric projects that are currently ongoing in the state or are still operational are the Likhorom hydroelectric project in Kepre with a max capacity of 24 megawatts, the Lang hydroelectric power plant in Tusang with a max capacity of 1 megawatt, the Tehok Electro Hydro Project at Mong with a max capacity of again 1 megawatt, and the Polyfig Hydroelectric Project which is under construction as of the latest sources in Kipre with a max capacity of 1 megawatts. Now, after all those talks about all the power projects going on in Nagaland, a question comes into one's mind. What are these hydroelectric power plants? Let us now try to understand how a dam works by watching this animated video.
Abundant supply of water and an elevation to drop it from. Building a dam creates both. The dam creates a reservoir which stores water until it's ready to use. Water enters the generating system through a series of giant intake pipes, then travels down a steep pipe called a penstock, creating a massive column of water with a huge amount of force. At the base of the penstock, the water passes through a turbine. The giant blades rotate the drive shaft in the turbine, which is connected to a large generator. This converts the mechanical energy into electricity. The electricity travels along high-voltage wires to transformers, then onto transmission towers, where it connects into the provincial power grid. After passing through the turbine, the water continues through the tail race where it rejoins the river below. A hydroelectric dam is a remarkably simple, sustainable, and clean way to generate huge amounts.
I hope that now you know the state of hydroelectric power in Nagaland and its functioning. That was all, folks. Thanks for sticking by and watching this video, and have a nice day.